What's up, y'all? About to get on a train with Smooch. Train station up that way. Hold on. Get some focus. Make sure, hold on. Alright, hold on. Let's get a better focus. We got it. We looking good. Alright, let's get on this train. Come on, Smooch. Let's go get on this train. We getting on the train, y'all. I'm always getting on public transportation with my dogs. The bus, the train, with Smooch, with Legends. Sometimes both of them. In the seat. Crowded. All that. Let's go up these stairs, Smooch. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's see what's going on up here. Hold on, leave that shit alone.